Hello everyone, Sheila back again. Welcome to my channel. I'm sitting in my workroom, the window is open and there is a breeze coming in the window and it feels actually a bit chilly. I think we've got about 20 degrees today, but this is the back part of my house and the sun has gone more than halfway down the back garden and there must be a cool breeze coming in. I think I'm going to shut that window. But I can put up with it for a little while I do this video. It'll be my bingo night tonight. So I won't be sitting up here all night anyway. But if I was, I think I would have to shut that window. I think our temperature, the thing on my phone says we're getting down to 13 degrees where I live tonight. So it'll probably be a bit cool tonight as well. But I'm knitting a bit of my own. This is one of the sleeves. One of the sleeves. I've actually started another sleeve. The other one. I was going to do this sleeve first because I'm doing the tutorial on it, and because there's two sleeves, I thought I would knit the first sleeve first and then do the tutorial for the other one after I had worked everything out on it. But it's been a while since I've put a bit of the tutorial up, and I thought I'll just do a little bit of the tutorial and show how many stitches you have to cast on for the sleeve and how to do the pattern on it. And then when I get up to the armholes on this one, I can do the tutorial for the armhole shaping and sort that bit out, and then just finish the two of them before I work out the band for it, because it's a V-neck, so it'll be one band all the way around. It won't be like two separate bands, like a neck band and two separate bands down the front. I haven't made my mind up yet whether I'm going to knit a single band and stitch it on. Knit it with a few stitches and keep knitting till it fits all the way around. Or pick up the stitches, because I would have to do it because of the number of stitches. I couldn't pick them up all the way around. I haven't got a circular needle long enough to do something like that. So I would probably have to do it up halfway up and put a seam on the back of the neck, and I'm not too happy about having a seam on the back of the neck, so I think I'll probably knit it put a few stitches on a needle and knit the band and work it all the way around. I think I'll probably do it that way, which was what I was going to do, thinking about doing in the first place. But that'll be when I get the sleeves finished, and I'll have to sew it up first before I do the band anyway, because you can't sort of work out a band like that if it's not all stitched up, and so you have it laid flat and you can see exactly how the band's going to look. Because what I usually do is I usually start knitting it. If I've done one that way before, I've usually started knitting it and pinning it as I go till I get it to look right before I actually start sewing it. So anyway, I thought I'd better get on with a bit more of this anyway, because I've been doing that many other things and it's just been getting neglected. I'll just finish this row and I'll show you some of the other things I have been doing. I'm almost at the end of the row. And it's quite a quick and easy pattern to do, this one. There's nothing to it. I may do a child's one, make a smaller, like a smaller V with maybe a little bit pattern down this part that's plain down the centre there. I may do a little child's one like that. I'll have to work that out. So I'll just put that down for a minute and show you. I have been knitting this one. I've finished the knitting all of it. The band on the front and the sleeves. It's all finished. It just wants sewing up. And that is an 18-inch, and it'll be. I'm going to wait until I get a few things knitted before I put them up on my shop, because I think I'd rather have a few things to put up in case any of them, more than one thing gets bought. I can go to the post office one day with a couple of things instead of going one day with one thing and the next day with another thing and the next day, sort of like that. So I want to do a few first before I actually put it up. So that's how far I've got with that anyway. It just wants sewing up. You can see a pattern on the back as well. And this one, I've finished both fronts on it now. I finished both fronts, and I've started this is the one I'm going to be doing a tutorial as well. And I've started on the sleeve. I've done the tutorial for the back and the two fronts. And I have we're having two sleeves. I can knit one first and then do the tutorial for the other one. So I've just started knitting one of the sleeves. Will not take long for that one either once I get started. Put that one down. And that's all I've finished. I haven't done anything on the other little one that I've got. I need to do a little bit more of that, but just the sleeves on them. They don't take very long, the small ones. And the pink one, that's how much wool I had left. And I'm not sure whether there may be enough to do a little bonnet to go with that little cardigan, because it is a bonnet on the pattern. So I'll have to wait. And as I already have a little bonnet for the lemon one there, so I'll weigh that and see whether there's enough in that to do a little bonnet the same as that one. Put that on there with that one there. And I may take the lemon one to the bingo with me tonight, because it's something small. It'll not take long to do one or two rows. Get a bit more of it done while I'm at the bingo tonight. And hope that we are lucky, because every time I win at the bingo, I have a jar in my kitchen and all my winnings go in that jar, and any cash that I happen to get from any of my orders goes in that jar too. And that's what I use for my bingo every week. I just take the money out of that jar. Well, it's getting down a little bit now because we haven't won for, I think it's about 2 or 3 weeks. So we need to have a win to fill the jar up again. But we need to be a good win, like sometimes I have a £20 house, so win, well, that's £10 each for me, my friend, so it doesn't even cover the night. So we like the later games where they pay more for. The other ones I like to win. But I'm just going to do as much as I can of this before I go to bingo tonight, because I'm not going to get any done tonight, because I'll be at the bingo and it's too big for to bother taking to the bingo with me, because as big as something is, you only have about 15 minutes between games, and maybe it's about half an hour at the start before the bingo actually starts. So, and then there's a lot of talking and chatting goes on, so I don't get a lot of. I don't get a lot. It's like I knitting that on a Monday. We get very little knitting done. But I'm counting these stitches: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because I'm on to the first part of the little V there. And it's wool forward, slip 1, Later on, past the slips to show, and then at 9. So that's all I've been doing today and tomorrow, but I will probably have to go and get a little bit shopping done for. I need some gluten-free stuff for my son coming on Saturday because I'm out of all the gravy stuff. If I make something I need gravy for, I've got no gluten-free gravy left. No gluten-free stock cubes because I was thinking I was going to do some beef stew for Saturday for him coming. Like he likes his meals at my house. Sometimes I think that's all he's coming for. But anyway, that's just a little bit of an update. So thumbs up and subscribe. Catch you all another time. So bye for now.